Hey there YouTube. Today we're going to test out the USB charge module that you can get on eBay for around $1.50. Here's a set of 7 of them. So these are buck boost converters, which mean that they can take anywhere from 6 to 24 volts and output 5 volts at 2.1 amps, or apparently 3 amps if you apply a heatsink to here. Now, I've checked out some other videos and you can see that this here is the positive terminal and this one is the negative terminal. But what we're going to do first is benchmark some devices so that you can compare this to something else that's a little bit more well known. So for that we're going to use the standard Apple power brick. This is the iPad version, so it can do 12 watts or 2.4 amps, and we're going to measure our output with the same this one device. So we'll put that guy in there. Righto. So you can see that no current is being drawn as yet, but it's ready to output 5.23 volts. So for our first device we have an old tablet. I'm going to plug that guy in there. There we go, and it seems to be happy, probably about 1.2 amps. That's a cheap cable from China, not the official cable, so it's probably not too bad considering. Okay. Second device is an iPad. Not the official cable, just an aftermarket one, again a cheapie. And it seems to want to be charging at about 1.6, just under 1.6, which is not too bad. That won't take that long to charge the iPad. Okay. And our last reference is a USB 3 based device. This is the One Plus with a USB 3 cable. I'm going to pop that in there. Okay, so it should negotiate for a little bit and then ramp up. You can see that it's going to pull about 1.55 maybe. There we go. So there's our reference points. So you can see what the average Apple power brick can do. Now we're going to flick over to homemade power bank. So this is a bunch of 18650s. There's 4 in parallel and then 2 in series. So this is going to output around about 8 volts. And then the buck boost converter is going to change that back down to 5 for us. So what we'll do is we'll just show you what's happening there. There we can see 8.18 volts on the way in. Okay, we'll plug in this guy again. And we can see it's ready for 5.19 on the way out. We'll just go back to our reference device, or devices. Plug that guy in. And we can see that it's pulling 1.17. So much the same as what we saw from the Apple. Back to the iPad. At 1.45. So again, much the same. Notice the voltage hasn't dropped off. I did see the wall wart drop just below 5. Now for the last one, we'll plug in the phone. Up to 1.65 there, almost 1.7. So I'm going to say that this device does live up to its expectations. In fact, it even seems better than the Apple wall wart. Only just, there's not much in it, but for a device that costs $1.50, which has the flexibility of 6 to 24 volts on the way in, it's a pretty good little bit of kit. So I hope you enjoyed the review, and if you want to grab some, there's tons of different people on eBay selling them. Thanks for watching.